So I spent 600 hours in an esthetician school. I got my license, I designed a skin studio, and this is what it was all for. Today, I'm gonna show you guys why makeup artists, estheticians, and skincare enthusiasts are about to lose their minds. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm PatrickStarrr, the founder of One Size Beauty and a licensed esthetician. Yes, a licensed esthetician. Today, I am here in my gorgeous brand new One Size Skin studio. And if you haven't noticed, I'm around this deeper, darker red. This isn't the traditional One Size red. This is literally intentional. This room represents the clinical, the results driven, the skin side of beauty. And I'm so excited to introduce to you something I literally dreamed about in esthetician school. Please meet the brand new Hydrosculpt Moisturizer, the first product from the One Size Skin studio. Okay, so quick story time. When I was in esthetician school, 2023, end of 2023 up until 2024, like in spring, I had met the most incredible classmates, people with dreams, people who wanted to change skin, change lives, and we would always talk about what the perfect product would be and all of our dreams, you know. And for me, it was products, and I was developing makeup at the time, and I was like, one day I might create skin products. And here we are. Whenever I was dreaming about products, it was always a moisturizer. I dreamed of a moisturizer that would work for makeup artists, that could lift and sculpt with real clinical results, something that could provide 24-hour hydration and not just vibes. And I wanted something esthetician approved with the good stuff. After I set those standards for myself, I knew I could go back with my team and work on something amazing. And this is it. This isn't just a moisturizer to me. This is my esthetician thesis in a bottle. So now that we're here, can you guys like see the packaging? This is the bottle. This is the box right here. It's in a deeper red. I wanted like deeper meaning, deeper colors. It's luxurious. It feels clinical. It's giving expensive skincare counter, but the price is like accessible. I'll talk about that a little bit later. What I love about this is that the pump is airless to keep the formula fresh. If you look at the weight, it feels so good and premium. And this is the kind of bottle that sits on your vanity and that makes you feel like you have like your freaking life together, and esthetician Patrick got you together. So since I'm a licensed esthetician, I'm gonna flex my licensed esthetician brain for a second because this formula is literally so freaking insane. And I'm gonna break down what's inside. So first, geranium oil. This is literally the secret weapon in this product. It visibly reduces puffiness and fine lines, and when you apply it on the skin, your skin will drink it and you will also see the difference. There's also passion fruit extract for that glow, that radiance, and it strengthens your skin barrier. There's also a plant-based glycerin that locks in moisture like a vault. It's long-lasting and it gives you all-day hydration. We put our stuff to the test, and it's dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, sensitive skin friendly, and basically I made sure that everyone, all skin types, skin textures can use this. So in a 2-week clinical study, 100% showed tightened skin, 97% had immediate improvement in hydration. We're talking plus 41.7%. 94% showed sculpted, firmer looking skin. These are literally real results, and this is what happens when you combine esthetician knowledge with formulation obsession. And real quick, I want to talk about accessibility because this especially matters to me. You guys know, larger than life, you know me, I love things big and grand, and most luxury moisturizers, 50 milliliters for $70, $80, even $100. Hydrosculpt, it may not look like it on the outside. It's 80 milliliters for $40. That's almost double the product at a fraction of the cost. You pretty much get twice as much than the average on the market. And because clinical grade skincare shouldn't be gatekept, to me, I wanted to go to school and share the knowledge that I learned in school to all of you. This just proves it in this type of product. If you care about your skin, I'm telling you about the products, you guys will hopefully see the passion and the love that I poured into this, and you guys will start to like really see what's out there and see how good this is once you guys get it in your hands. The value, the formula, the packaging, the size and the amount that you get is totally worth it, and you guys deserve this. So with that being said, this is esthetician formulated, clinically tested, and skincare that doesn't make you choose between the results and your budget. You know what? Before I forget, can we talk about this room for a second? The One Size Skin Studio, what a gag. This is like a real LED sign. This literally represents something so deep to me. When I was building One Size Beauty, it was about color, bright red, bold, unapologetic. But the skin is intimate, skin is transformation, and skin is science and clinical. The deeper red that I decided to go with represents the foundation, literally the foundation of makeup, and you can't have a flawless beat without healthy skin. And as someone who has been doing makeup for a very long time and spent 600 hours in esthetician school learning the science of skin, being in here with the curtains and the shelves and the bottles and the paint, it's branding, but it's so full circle for me. And I will say, I actually filmed a full makeover vlog of this entire room transformation. It's giving luxury, it's giving spa, and it's giving PatrickStarrr living his esthetician fantasy. The video will be coming out real soon, and I'm so excited for you guys to see. If you guys know, you know, I love me a room transformation. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to use the Hydrosculpt Moisturizer Geranium Emulsion. This is gonna show you why makeup artists are gonna want this in your kit. Estheticians, you're gonna want this in your treatment room, morning and night. Pump 1 to 2 pumps on clean skin. And I like to start at the center of my face and work upward and outward, and I lift as I go. I have this kind of like 10-10-10 rule. I like to make an L, 2 L's, and sculpt under the jaw and the cheeks 10 times, 10 seconds. And then I like to take my fingers and go around the orbital bone 10 times. And then the last 10, I like to take my hands and apply it down the center of the forehead and work my way down the neck. So in essence, you're kind of doing a lymphatic drainage massage. I just love to do it to get the skin and the blood flowing and really wake up the skin in the morning and at night. And it feels so gorgeous. You can do this on yourself, you can do it on a client. I think it's such an easy way, and the formula is so gorgeous because it gives you enough playtime. So about like a minute or so, when most moisturizers, if you were to do like 10 seconds here, 10 seconds there, 10 seconds everywhere, it'll start peeling and kind of like rolling off into like this curdled milk, but not ours. But just don't do it for too long. And the more slick your skin is with skincare that you guys do before moisturizer, because moisturizer is technically one of the last steps, if not the last step, you guys should be good. Also, as a little bonus, I want you guys to see this foundation. Look at how easy my foundation glides over this. No pilling, no balling up. It's just smooth, hydrated, and prepped skin. And this is why it's about to be a kit staple for you, makeup artists and estheticians. Okay, so this is what you guys need to know. The Hydrosculpt Moisturizer is available on Sephora, in store, Sephora.com, OneSizeBeauty.com, and I believe TikTok Shop. It's $40 for 80 milliliters. That's 2.7 fluid ounces of esthetician grade clinically proven hydration that was literally gonna change your skin in 2 weeks. And if you're a makeup artist, stock it in your kit. If you're an esthetician, and I recommend this to your clients, and if you're a skincare enthusiast, this product represents a year of esthetician school, a lifetime for me of like loving beauty and loving my skin, and my true passion and purpose for creating products that really work and not just products that look pretty. Go get your Hydrosculpt, tag me in your reviews. I'd love to see everything and your skin transformation photos all over social media. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this YouTube channel because we are just getting started with the skin studio content. More facials, more skincare education, more esthetician Patrick coming your way. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.